What up, word? I know it's a little dark in here, but y'all can see me. Can't see me now. Can't see me now. Crawling in my skin. These wounds, they will not heal. Fear is how I fall. Confusing what is real. That's a nice song right there. Truth too. Don't y'all hate when you get confused? Don't y'all hate when that body get confused? I was walking up the stairs. My mind said up, but my body said down. I fell down I went. I fell down and still hit the ground like, ooh, why have you forsaken me? It's real too. Y'all know somebody somewhere got the remote controlling each and every one of us. Just you be out walking somewhere, you be like, the computer in your brain pop up alert, request to go this way. And then that little person in your brain, ain't nothing that way. Request denied. And try to go that way and you'll fall, mess everything up. And then you got them people, are you okay? What happened? And I tried to go that way, but it wasn't work. And then they looking at you crazy like, you couldn't go that way. Somebody call the ambulance. This guy must have hit his head. Let's get a CAT scan right now. And then next thing you know, you in that stylish jacket just hugging the mess out of yourself. And then that spirit that caused all this mess, it just leaves your body just laughing. Like, do. Let's find another soul to take over. Just messing up everything. Peace.